Morning YouTube, this is our photographist here and welcome on board. So my client called me the other day and he requested me to come and install a rod in his bathroom. The bathroom looks like this. There is this shower place, there is that shower place, and then there is this bathtub, the bathtub place. So he wants a rod that comes from all the way from that door and covers over to the bathtub. So like you've seen, he requested that I partition these two places. I partition the bathtub and the shower place with a rod so that he can just install the curtain. And I told him, no worries, I got you. I got you. So let's get down and do some work. So my people, thank you for sticking around up to this point of video. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Talking of that, kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your family, and the people that you care about. If you want something like this, just comment down here and we'll come and do it in your house. I've been your host, Warua Photographist, from the creative docket of Warua Vlogs. See you in the next video. Adios.